Archiving started.
Class, this module will focus on range and mid-range. Range deals with the largest and the smallest units or values within a given data set. So here we have a data set where we have 105 as the largest, 22 is the smallest. So to determine range, you subtract the smallest from the largest value, and that gives you your range. What's notable is what happens with that information. So if you have a large range, then you have a looser spread of the numbers within a given data set. And the reverse of that is true as well. If you have a smaller range, then you're going to have a tighter spread of numbers within a given data set. And that does tell you something about the tendency within a given data set. Mid-range really is another way of thinking about central tendency. And in the mid-range, what you want to do is you want to add the largest and the smallest values within a given data set, and then divide by those two numbers. So in other words, you have 2 units, so you divide by 2. So in the context of this particular data set we have here, you have 105 as the largest plus 22 to get a value of 127, which you then divide by 2. Why 2? Because you have 2 units that you're using to determine the average from. So that's the largest and the smallest in the data set. And the answer would be, of course, in this case, 63.5. So the mid-range of this set of numbers is 63.5, and that is a way of looking at what the norm in this particular data set is in terms of tendency. Okay, the next module we'll talk about the concepts of population, sample population, average deviation, and then we will continue on with these series until we reach standard deviation, which will conclude the presentation for descriptive statistics in terms of using the math to determine these descriptions. So for now, I will end this module, and I will see you next time.